Hi! Within this lecture, we're gonna learn about Linux package managers. And by package managers, I mean some kind of tools or softwares that actually lets us install new tools or search for new tools or update and upgrade new tools easily. Okay, so let me show you what I mean and you will understand it in a better way. Okay, so you can be root, or you should be root in order to do that. So I'm gonna just open a root terminal, okay, or you can just open a regular terminal and become root by running sudo su. And after that, I'm going to show you what you need to run. So all you gotta do is just run this apt update. So apt is the package manager. So let me show you what I mean by googling it. Okay, because apt is not the only option in Linux. In Kali Linux, we use actually the apt. Okay, so we will be using apt throughout the course as well. But let me show you some other alternatives by googling it. You don't have to do that. I'm just googling it so that I can show you. Okay, let me open the package manager from Wikipedia, or let me search it like this: apt yum and some other stuff. Yeah, here you go, apt yum DNF package. So here you go. So package management system. You can see that every kind of different Linux distribution uses some kind of specific package manager. Okay, for example, you can see DNF, you can see yum, you can see apt, you can see package or pkg in other distribution of Linux systems like Debian or Ubuntu, Fedora, BSD, CentOS. So you can actually see different kind of commands in order to achieve these results. But in Kali, we are using apt, which is one of the alternatives. Okay, what it does is it looks for the installed packages, it looks for the available packages in the package system, it downloads those packages, it downloads those softwares for you, it installs it in your system, it scatters it through the user folder, home folder, etc folder, whatever folder it should be into, and it actually puts the binary in the bin folder so you can actually use it. Okay, so there are a couple of things that you should learn about apt, and we will be seeing them right now. And as you can see, there are a couple of instructions over here. You're more than welcome to read this on your own time. We're going to see the fundamentals of it, and you will learn how to use it like in a minute. I'm just looking over here so that I can maybe find something interesting to show you. Well, I believe that's it. We can just close this down and just go along with it. So before we run this apt update, I'm gonna show you can see apt or apt-get during the course. Okay, like apt-get update rather than apt update, or apt-get install rather than apt install. So technically they are a little bit different, but they do the same thing. Okay, so apt and apt-get doesn't matter. So first of all, I'm going to run apt update, which will actually update the apt so that it can find the newer versions of the packages of the tools that we will be downloading or upgrading. Okay, so it's a good idea to update the apt once you install the Kali Linux. So it doesn't actually upgrade the existing tools inside of your own computer. It actually updates only the package manager itself so that it can find newer versions. So if you are ready to install, you will be installing the newest versions. If you run apt upgrade, by the way, don't do that right now. It upgrades the existing ones with the newer versions, but you don't have to do that right now because it takes so long. Okay, and since you have already freshly installed Kali Linux, it should be up to date. Maybe like a couple of files and folders, like couple of tools have updates available, but they're not mandatory. If everything is working, then I believe you can just skip this. Again, if you run apt upgrade, it's gonna take so long unless you come across in a situation where you experience some tools not working, then maybe you can upgrade, okay, and try one more time. But if everything is working, just skip it. So we generally use like this: apt install, and we write the tool that we want to install. Of course, you don't know any tools right now. We haven't seen it. For example, we don't know what a Wireshark is. We will learn it later on during the course, but if you run it right now, as you can see, it asks us, do we want to continue? Yes or no. I will say yes, Y, and hit enter. And as you can see, it installs the Wireshark. And in fact, Wireshark is already installed in the Kali Linux. It's just upgrading the Wireshark because we have previously executed apt update, so it found the newer version, and once we installed the Wireshark, it upgraded it. Okay, so that's how we use apt. We just write the tool name and it downloads the tool, it installs the tool, and tool is ready for us. It's very convenient. So you can do that with any available tool, of course. And in other versions, like in other distributions, you can see DNF, yum, and it's exactly the same, like yum install or something like that. Okay, but we're going to go with apt or apt-get during this course, and again, there you can use them interchangeably in this case. And if you want to search something, for example, if you want to search for some tool, okay, maybe you're gonna install something but you don't know the exact name of it, you can come over here and you can run apt search. Of course, you must give what you're searching. For example, if you search for Wireshark, you will see different kind of versions or different kind of tools related with the Wireshark. As you can see, there are many over here. Right now, you don't know the names of the tools or what they do. So maybe you don't understand quite what's happening. Don't worry about it. Let me search something else like Battery Cap. This is one of the tools that we will be using during the course. As you can see, we see all the related tools with the Battery Cap. So I can just come over here and just select one of them and execute the command with apt install. As you can see, it's already in the newest version, so it didn't do anything. So we will use this a lot. You don't have to do anything right now, but if you see apt during the course, then you know what it is now.